man, what you up to?
Just making sure everything is here, you know, stock and everything.
For our upcoming Black Friday sale, right?
Yeah, that's right. And have you seen, by the way, our new Nano W?
No, I haven't.
Want to take a look?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hold on.
Oh, you got a call.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, right, it's today. Okay, yeah, we'll be right there. The showroom, we have guests today.
Right, we gotta get it ready.
Yeah, let's set it up.
Let's go then.
Alright, let's get the showroom set up, huh?
Yeah? How I love 3D printer inspection, man. I feel liberating in these goggles.
Tell me about it. So, it's a Halloween spirit, huh?
Yeah, you don't say.
So, when are the guests coming?
I think they're coming around 5 or something.
Alright. So, still got a little time.
Wait a minute. Did you hear something?
No. What was it?
I think I did. Some noise.
You seem stressed out, huh?
Yeah.
Want to get some coffee?
Sure, yeah. Let's just go grab some coffee
Oh,
then.
we can take a break. Alright. Don't worry about it. I didn't hear anything.
Really?
Yeah, I think you're just tired.
Okay, yeah, because I feel dizzy now. Coffee time, maybe.
Yeah, coffee time.
Hi, can I get 2 Americanos, please?
Hey,
Whoa!
What the heck? Talking printer?
I ran out of filament and I'm really hungry.
You're hungry? But we don't have any filament right here.
Trick or treat, give me some candy.
What candy?
Anything. Those candy over there. Stay with
All
me.
right, and if we get you the candy, you will just leave us alone?
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay, I'll get these 2.
I want the cookies. Give me the cookies.
And maybe
All right.
get these 2.
Yeah, more, yeah.
How hungry are you?
I'm pretty hungry.
For a small printer, you fit a lot of candy, huh?
Yeah, my print bed's huge.
Can't believe you're fitting this much in your small body, huh?
Yeah, okay, I'm pretty good. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Now, just leave then.
Okay,
Stop following us around, huh?
I promise.
All right. Man, let's get our coffee and go somewhere else, huh?
Yeah, let's just relax and just chill, you know, in the garden maybe.
All right, leave us alone, huh?
Okay, bye-bye.
That printer is something, right?
He is something else, huh?
Yo,
Holy!
Hey, why are you orange all of a sudden?
isn't it obvious? I'm wearing a Halloween costume.
Oh, okay. And
All right, and why are you still following us around? Didn't we just give you all the treats?
I've got one more request.
what is that?
I want to say Happy Halloween to everyone.
All right, but before we do that, we should get you out of this costume, huh? So you were the one following us all around the company, huh?
Yep, I finally made it out.
So what do you want to say?
Okay, Happy Halloween!
Well, not just Zin, but also us, we want to wish you a happy Halloween and seasonal greetings.
Right. Happy Halloween, everyone. And we also want to let you know that we're having a Black Friday sale coming up real soon, starting November 1st.
So make sure to check out all our social media channels and also the links in the description below to not miss any of our sweet deals coming up very soon.
Right, and as usual, till next time.
Bye.
Bye!